Well, we covered how you can create mini apps. There's also a way to install the mini apps themselves. If you did not create it, or you created it and put it inside of the App Store, it is an easy way to install it. To do so, just go to the Mini Apps menu item on the left-hand side. Go press the blue button on the top right, and from here you will come to the App Store overview. You will see all available apps created not only by yourself, but also others. And you can select any of these and install it onto your workspace. You will then see an overview of the app itself. And once you're done and you want to install it, just press the green install button on the top right corner. Certain apps will require you to insert certain tracking IDs. And once inserted, you can just press save. It will then end up inside of your overview of all the available mini apps installed in your current workspace.